Suck it in, honey. Suck
You want to see the muscles over here?
I want to see you suck that belly in.
You want to see the muscles over here?
Yeah.
Like that? You like that? Can you see those?
No.
Wait a minute.
What's cramping?
Hurry up, it's cramping. Hurry up.
Hell, I can do better than that.
You gotta do it again because I missed it.
Man, she ain't got no muscles.
I want to see it really.
I ain't got no muscles. You ain't got no muscles. You got a lot of time.
Rick, do it again. I missed it. I didn't see it move. I didn't see it move.
Oh, we didn't either.
I'm sorry.
Come on, I want you to see it.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. You ain't doing it.
you see it right here?
Yeah,
That's what you get.
I see it ready to burst.
They're on fire over here, even on low, both sides. I'm fighting the whole time.
Look, hurry up.
I'm
I keep doing it much